Hello everybody. So today I will talk about statistics. So in here we need to find about the S, mu and the sigma. That means we need to find about the mean. Mean in here is about 75. Standard deviation is about 0.15. Now we will use this number to calculate about the z-score. That's about S minus mu and we have another one is about sigma. Now we will have two numbers, so we need to calculate about two z-score in here. We have 74.8 minus 75 divided to 0.15 and we calculate this number. That's about minus 4/3 and this is about minus 1.33. The next number is about 75.2. That's about 4/3 or we become 1.33. Now we have P in here. P is about between minus 1.33 smaller than Z and greater than Z is 1.33. Now we will use this number to use this table. We call them is about standard normal table. In here we calculate about 1.33, so we will scan about 1.3 first in here and 0.03 in here, and then we connect three numbers together and we find that's about this number 0.4082, and because we have two numbers at the same one, so we have A2 multiplied with number 2 in here. And this is about 0.8164, so we get about 81.64%, and this is the final number we need to find. That's the end. Thank you for watching.